All right, welcome to the channel. I came down to downtown LA, a different area of downtown LA today. I wanted to see the build of the 6th Street Bridge, which is coming along nicely. I was talking to a gentleman right over there in construction. He said they're trying to push this to be open to the public by December. Well, that would be pretty cool if they could get it open this year. But I'm gonna take a quick walk down this street and turn around because the graffiti on this street is insane. So I'll take a few photos and then we'll take a few photos of the bridge before it gets completely done. So thank you for joining me. Consider hitting like on the video and maybe subscribing. This time I was killing my audio. But yeah, I appreciate it if you hit like on the video. Maybe consider subscribing for future videos here in downtown LA. So you guys can see what downtown LA looks like. But thank you for joining me. Let's take a picture here of this graffiti art really quick. Just to warm up, but this whole street is full of graffiti. I'll take a few of the graffiti and then I'm gonna take one from the center of the street over there so you guys can see. Look at this art right here. Oh, almost fell. All right, took a quick photo there. Continue walking. These streets are kind of sketchy, so I'm gonna keep an eye open. Let's keep going right here. All right. The street that I'm on right now, it's Mission. To one of the food truck right there really quick, just to practice my skills. And I want to get one other bridge that's over there, still in construction, as soon as it gets cleared. So you have the bridge being built over there. Then you have downtown LA over there at the distance. Well, this is downtown, but you know, the buildings. There's a fire here. It's a nice little park. Nothing interesting. Like a mattress caught on fire here. I'll take a picture of this gate right here. I'm going to take one from here, going that way. Security. My lens is not wide enough. There's a gentleman right there on his phone chilling, and then you have like the whole picture of this running quick. You got the buildings at the distance. We're gonna get to that bridge over there, which is 4th Street Bridge. I think I walked that one before. I'm gonna go up right now to the 4th Street Bridge. Yeah. This is the street we were just on. You see the bridge at the distance. I'm gonna go more towards the center and take a few shots there. Here's most of the bridge in the shot with some clouds. That's pretty cool. There are some birds on the shot too. I'm gonna go on the other side and take a picture of the buildings downtown LA really quick, as soon as there's no car coming in. All right, let's take a look what's over here. But yeah, I walked this bridge before. I forgot that I had walked this bridge before. Yeah, I remember this area. The art district is just right over here in this area. Or this whole area is the art district right here. If you visit my website, you'll see that the first image you see in the background is here. From here, that was shooting into the buildings. So that's pretty cool. The gentleman was doing some cool exercises. Okay, he was moving pretty weird. We have a runner. I'm gonna try to take a picture of him. Hope he doesn't get mad. Might be the only good picture I get today. All right. Thank you, bro. That's pretty cool. We'll take one more, just a bit. There we go. That's pretty cool. I haven't even seen the photo, but I know that's gonna be one of my favorites already. I'm debating where I should go from here, because I already walked these streets. And I don't want to walk down that way. See, you always gotta turn around. I like this frame here, but I don't like. Let's see how this looks. I'm just gonna wait for that car to go by. I'm worried so there's no cars. There's cars, but you can barely see them. There's somebody coming in the skateboard, so I think it's a skateboard, so I'm gonna try to capture him. Skateboard or scooter? Scooter. Yeah, that one's out of focus because I was focusing on the other area and I didn't let go of my focus button, AF on button. Alright, that should be good enough. Okay, that's the last photo for today. I actually like that photo. It's an interesting photo. The shadows. Our shadows. Alright, with the last photo, I'll bring this video to an end. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked that video and got to see a different part of LA that maybe you hadn't seen before. So consider subscribing, give me a like on the video. These videos take a lot of work and I have to spend time away from my family. But I really enjoy doing this, and I'm gonna continue for a long time. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye.